Hello guys, we are still on the tips on how to stream professionally using a mobile phone, and today I'm going to tackle tip number 3, and tip number 3 is going to focus on sound. Hello precious one, my name is Brakaku Simon and this is my channel. If you are new here, kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the post notification so that whenever I release a new video you get the first notification. If you're a returning subscriber to you, thank you for believing in what we do and always coming to check my video. Now let's zoom into today's video. Hey guys, so I started a series on how to professionally stream your church services using a mobile device, and I said that this series is focusing on churches, or let me say small churches with limited budgets for their media department. So I want to give you some tidbits that you can also get that professional touch that you are looking out for, though your budget may be limited. And I've given you 2 tips already. The first one, I talked about your video orientation, and if you have not yet watched that one, you can check up the link here and then go and check it out. And the second one too, I talked about stabilization, and I talked about the fact that it doesn't matter how limited your budget may be, there is the need to get a stabilizer. In the case of I made recommendation of a tripod, and I even set an example that in Ghana here you can get a tripod with as low as 200 Ghana cedis and you are good to go. So if you have not just watched that one too, the link will be up here, go and check it out. Now today I'm going to talk about sound. Yes, I'm going to talk about sound. Now there are so many ways you can get better sound for your church's live streaming. The first one that I'll talk about is picking your sound from the mixer board. Someone may ask, I'm using a mobile phone, how can I pick up the sound from the mixer board? All that you have to do is just to get a sound card. Yes, and if I say a sound card, I don't mean this type of sound card or this one. I'm talking about this type of sound card. Yes, where you can split your microphone port and then your earpiece port. So when you get your sound cable, give it to the audio guys, or let me say give it to the technical team or the sound guys. Let them give you a clean sound that is coming from the mixer board, the sound that they have processed from the mixer board. Let them give you a feed from that port, and then you connect to the microphone port. You see, this kind of sound card, the port have been splitted. You have the earpiece side and then you have the microphone side. So you connect your cable to the microphone port in this sound card, and then you are good to go. So any sound that will be coming through your phone will be the sound from the mixer board, which is crystal clear for your audience. And when it happens like that, your audience will feel part of the service. One thing that people will be able to manage, if your video is not bad, people will be able to manage and still stay along if your sound is clear. But even if your video is, you are streaming in, let me say 8K or whatever, and your sound is bad, people will not stay. They will just leave your platform and go. So make sure that you get that clear sound that your audience need. So that is option number 1, to use this type of sound card that I'm recommending to you. Now the second option is to get an earpiece. Yes, an earpiece like this. You see, you have this kind of earpiece where you have something like a port as a port, and something like a point somewhere here. That thing there is a microphone. In case you don't know, I'm telling you today, that thing there is a microphone. So get that kind of earpiece and then connect it to your phone. When you do it that way, you are a way better than just the normal ambience sound that you'll be picking. The earpiece microphone will be able to pick a better sound than using the normal phone's microphone to pick up the sound. In this way, you'll be able to filter the noise a little bit and you get the better sound that you are looking for. So today, that is the tip I have for you. In order to get better sound for your live streaming, even if you are streaming with phone, I talked about getting a sound card like this one, and you are good to go. When you get a sound card like this one, you'll be able to pick the feed from the mixer board, and If you don't have that kind of sound card too, you can just get an earpiece. With just an earpiece, you'll be able to get the kind of sound that you are looking for. In my next episode, I'll be talking about using a third-party software while you are using a mobile phone. So for example, if you want to stream with OBS, if you want to stream with Venice, if you want to stream with any kind of streaming software and you are using a mobile phone, I'll walk you through how you'll be able to do that. So this is the tip that I have for you today. If you enjoyed today's edition, kindly click on the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed yet, and then like this video, drop a comment and let me know your feedback. If you have any question too, kindly drop in the comment section and I'll take time to respond to them, probably maybe in my next episode. Kindly share this video and let someone be blessed. My name is Braguku Simon. Till we meet again, I say adios.